everyone, welcome back to my channel Amplitude with Attitude by Vandana. Your friend Vandana is going to tell you today something very special, right? Like about the plants which produce oxygen throughout day and night. It's amazing. There are certain plants which produce oxygen 24 hours, right? Throughout day and night. I'm going to tell you about these plants. Some of you might be thinking this is the process which is done by plants, that's why plants play a special role in our environment. Yeah, friend, you're right. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. But this process is not done throughout day and night, that is during daytime in the presence of sunlight. So there are certain plants which, through the process of CAM, we will not go into the elaborate version of that, but they produce oxygen throughout day and night. I'm going to tell you about those plants. So the 10 plants which produce oxygen day and night are aloe vera, peepal, snake plant, areca palm, neem, orchids, chopra or orange, Christmas cactus, tulsi and money plant. Yeah, one or two plants in this category might be at your home. I'm sure about it. For example, at my home also I have tulsi plant, then aloe vera I'm having, neem tree is just behind my place. So all of us have one or two tree or plant like this at their nearby place. Okay, or you can have some of them as your indoor plant also. The first plant in our category of producing oxygen 24 hours, that is day and night, is aloe vera. Right? Aloe vera is best known to remove toxins from the air. That is, these are the toxins like aldehyde and benzene. Okay? Unlike most plants, it releases the oxygen at night as well and is suited for bedrooms and indoor environments. So you can plant it. They grow slowly and have thick pointed leaves with white transparent shell. It is a medicinal plant used for different treatments. Skin, then it's like people have aloe vera juice. All these things. Then it mostly flourishes in sunny atmosphere and overwatering can damage its roots. So you can plant one aloe vera plant at your home. In this category is peepal plant. Peepal plant is also known as sacred fig or Ficus religiosa. It is a native to India. It provides oxygen at night and treats asthma and constipation. It is also used as a diabetes controller. It also helps as a remedy for tooth decay. Apart from its medicinal value, it also has certain sacred values in Hinduism and Buddhism. Third one in this category is a snake plant. A snake plant is a house plant with delicate upright leaves. It is also known as mother-in-law's tongue, just like MIL, mother-in-law's tongue, and grow up to 3 feet in height. It is also a unique plant that it continuously absorbs carbon dioxide from the air and formaldehyde to create a healthy environment even during the night time. It is also easy to grow, low maintenance plant and requires very less quantity of water. And the best part is that you can have it at your home in a pot. Orchids are beautiful and a useful choice to be placed in the bedroom. It also purifies the air as it removes xylene and toxic element mostly present in beams of our furniture and wall and cleans our indoor environment and gives a pleasant fragrance too. So if your orchids at your home, then you will have a neem. The neem plant has many benefits and known for its antibacterial properties. It is also used to purify the air and have a cure for various ailments like various diseases. If you have a neem tree beside your house or just behind your home or at your place, means you are free from so many diseases. It acts as a natural pesticide. That's why many of the families have neem tree in their yard. It is also used in hair and dental products. You will find many of the toothpaste with neem areca palm. Areca palm is also known as golden palm, butterfly palm and yellow palm, and is native to South India and Philippines. Areca palm can be used as an indoor house plant. Next is Christmas cactus. These are mostly found in Brazil. It is also used to purify indoor air as it provides oxygen in the night. They require watering 2 to 3 times during summer days and once a week during the winters. Flowers of this plant are vibrant with nectar and pollinate efficiently with hummingbird. That is Christmas plant. Tulsi is also known as holy basil. It is native to India and is mostly cultivated in Southeastern Asia. It is commonly used for treating asthma, cold, sore throat, high BP, and cholesterol. It is also used as a stress relaxant and inflammation controller. It has religious value in the Hindu. Money plant. Money plant is also known as devil's earring. The name money plant is given because it has flat, plump leaves that resemble with a coin. It's an indoor plant to provide air and to cure sleep. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to give a like. Thanks.